Hey YouTube, welcome back to Part-Time Fab. So I wanted to make a quick video. I've had several people want dimensions on the cart. So I was just going to make a real short, real quick video, give you some dimensions on the cart, and that'd be it. So as far as depth, it is just a little over 12 inches. 12 inches deep, and then it is just barely under 24 inches wide. Now, working from the ground up, this first bend from the plate is just under 29 inches, and to extend from, let's see, from here up to the top is right at 25 inches. And these two posts right here, they're just under 24 inches. Matter of fact, it's between 23 3/4 and 24 inches. There's nothing to be exact on this thing. You know, I used a sketch off the ground when I was doing it. Just get your tanks, set them up there, make it all kind of fit, and use your best judgment. In here in the back, I put a piece of square tubing down here at the bottom to just make it a little rigid. Also put one right here. This one's to make it a little rigid too. It is also going to have another duty as soon as I get done, or as soon as I buy a brake, a metal brake, sheet metal brake. I'm going to make a tray or a toolbox of some type. You've seen them. To screw into this to put tips and that sort of thing in. But this, I just put it arbitrarily somewheres. It doesn't matter. This bottom piece is just under 2 inches off the bottom. And this top piece is right at 28 inches to the top. And then this right here, I would just fit it, just get it close to where it won't fit, and then just sneak up on it just like I did, just grind a little bit, then test fit it, grind a little bit, test fit it. It don't take a minute just to get that done. Use your floor. When you get these pieces here and you get ready to weld them, you want them to be, you know, decently square. Just use your floor. It should be flat enough to get all the pieces in good alignment. Clamps, you know, use clamps to your advantage. I made some of these little hooks right here. Hope you can see that. I made them with my bender that's mounted to the floor over here, just to like put an adjustable wrench on. And this one's got a striker on it. And then I keep my cleaning tool just kind of hanging with a piece of filler wire, just bent to hold them all. And that's basically it. I mean, that's all the measurements you should need. This bar here, it just matters on what your wheel size is. I think for the wheels, I put a piece of 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch steel under the wheel, and then on both sides, and then slid it up, sitting on that, and then welded this piece of tubing to this square piece of tubing. Now to make this axle, I believe you remember that from the assembly video. I just stuck a piece of bar, round bar, up into this tubing until it kind of lodged itself, and then I put just a little bit of weld around the edge, just something real small, and cut it off, drilled some holes, and put some more filler wire Carter keys in to hold the wheels on with some washers. But that's basically it. So for those who wanted measurements, there you go. Hope that helps. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Part Time Fab.